Alrighty, let's keep going. Number 17. All right, nothing happening over here. Just bring that straight down. Equal straight down. 8 times x, 8 times that -6. Gather up your variables on one side. I'm going to move this 8x over by subtracting. Bring down the -48. I'm going to bring this -2 over by adding. 8x minus 8x is 0. Okay, this is looking a little freaky, but don't be scared. We did everything correct, and we ended up with a false statement at the end. My life is full of dog hair. This is not true. 0 does not equal -36, so that means that this is a problem without a solution. I think those are cool. Okay, 19. Yep, okay. Isolate this variable. It's a +6. We're going to isolate that variable by subtracting out this 6. And -19 is what fits in there. Okay. (21). Now 21 reads, the sum of 9 times a number and 13 is equal to 7 times the number. Okay, so we want a sum, so that means we're going to start with this. The sum of 9 times a number and 13 is equal to 7 times the number. And then they're asking us to solve. Yeah, anytime I get a fraction, I get a little bit nervous, but we've done everything correctly. So I'll tell you, here's something pretty cool. 13 divided by 2 gives you a decimal, that's an okay thing. But this is a wonderful answer in algebra. So don't be upset by those improper fractions. They're excellent. Now, if you're in the software and it shouldn't prefer this, but just in case, either answer is perfectly acceptable. 23. After a storm rolled through Dallas, the temperature dropped by 20 degrees. If the temperature before the storm was T, write an expression for the temperature after the storm. Okay, so it says that before the storm it was T, after the storm it had dropped 20 degrees. So that means it started at temperature T and then dropped 20 degrees. Let's look at 25. Okay. An 18-foot piece of string. All right, first I'm going to do on 25 is draw my 18-foot piece of string. Here's my string. String. And from here to here, it's 18 feet. Okay. And it's cut into 2 pieces, so that one piece is 2 feet longer than 3 times the shorter one. Okay, so what we have here is we have a short piece, right? Here's my short piece. Here's my long piece. 2 feet longer than 3 times the shorter one. Let's let S represent the short piece. And then 2 feet longer than 3 times the shorter one. So now I've got the long piece, 2 feet longer than 3 times the shorter one. There's my long piece, there's my short piece. So now I need to find out the length of both pieces. So that means I'll be solving for the short piece, using that information to find the long piece. Well, here's what I know. I know that the short piece right? The short piece plus the long piece. Altogether that equals 18. Well, my short piece is that. My long piece is that. And now I'm going to solve for S. Like terms. Isolate your variable. Isolate it some more. Oh, cool. Okay, so we find out that the short piece is 4 feet long. Well, didn't we start with 18 feet? So if the short piece is 4, the long piece has to be whatever 18 minus 4 is. Yep. Okay, so we find out that the short piece is 4 feet. Long piece, 14 feet. All right, let me pan back so you can get all of that. And there is half of what I needed for you to have done today, so you have good notes for that. I'm really proud of what you're doing on the test. I'm in the middle of grading the test, and it's going good. It's going good. Y'all read your email. Take care.